Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am so thrilled to walk you through a drawing I have just completed. In this video we are drawing the one and only Chase from PAW Patrol. For me, every piece of art is a chance for some narrative storytelling, and Chase has quite the story to tell. I like to start simple, focusing right on the center of his expression. I begin with the nose, making sure to capture that sense of keen curiosity. You can almost imagine him sniffing out a clue right now. From there, I move to the eyes. Chase's eyes are so expressive. They show his sharp focus, his smarts, and his total determination to do good. Once the eyes are locked in, I sketch out the confident shape of his face, so he looks ready for action. Next up is his signature police cap and those alert ears. I always draw them standing tall, almost like he is actively listening for the next call to adventure from Ryder. As I finish up these initial details, let's talk about why Chase is such a fan favorite. His bravery, loyalty, and leadership makes him much more than just a police pup. Whether he is guiding traffic or helping a lost animal, Chase always handles the situation with a cool head and a big heart. As my pencil moves down the page, I start to block in his strong legs and sturdy, athletic body. I pay attention to his cute paws, making sure they look grounded and ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. And of course, we absolutely cannot forget his pup pack, that incredibly handy bag he wears on his back. Every time Chase reaches for his pup pack, you know an exciting rescue is about to begin. With the right tool for every mission, he reminds us that no job is too big and no pup is too small. Now, I use a soft brush to shade Chase fully, making him stand out and really come to life on the page. The shading is where the magic happens, giving him that three-dimensional feel. Next, I make all the outline strokes a little darker. That way they will stay nice and clear when I do the final, heavier shading later on. This show isn't just about cool vehicles and exciting rescue missions. At its heart, it's about helping others and working together and always doing the right thing. Every pup has their own unique personality and special skills, and that's what makes the team so strong. They remind us that everyone has something valuable to contribute, no matter how big or small. But today, it was Chase's bravery, loyalty, and determination that inspired me to bring him to life on paper. That's one of the things I love most about drawing. It's a chance to slow down and appreciate our favorite characters and recreate them one line at a time. Watching a blank page gradually turn into something recognizable is always such a satisfying process. Even with just a pencil and some careful shading, it's amazing how much personality you can capture. I hope you are enjoying to watch this drawing come together as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you are drawing along with me, I would love to know how your version turned out. And if you are just here to relax and watch, I hope this video gave you a few peaceful minutes and maybe even inspired you to pick up a pencil yourself. Just like Chase, remember to stay brave, help the people around you whenever you can, and never stop learning and improving. Every drawing you finish teaches you something new, and every sketch is another step forward. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could leave a like. Let me know in the comments which PAW Patrol character you would like me to draw next. And if you would like to see more fun drawing tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe. Every like, comment, and subscription means so much to me and truly motivates me to make more videos for you. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep drawing, keep creating, and have an absolutely awesome day.